If you would like to utilize the calendar component within a model application and have it switch automatically to the user's language, this video will demonstrate how to add languages to your dynamic system and how to set your user preferences accordingly so that the calendar component will change automatically. You can see here that our calendar component is currently showing in English. If we would like this to show in, say, German or Deutsch, we need to first install the German language pack into Dynamics and then change our user settings so that the calendar will update correctly. To do that, let's start by coming over here, clicking on Advanced Settings. This is going to open our settings area. You will need to be a sysadmin to be able to do this. I'm going to go to System, Administration, click on Languages. You can see here that I've already installed French and German, so I'm going to go ahead and install Spanish. Spanish I've previously installed, so it does show up here that there's a version already installed. So I'll click Apply. This language installation can take up to 20 minutes. It's an asynchronous process. It happens in the background. So actually, once you choose to do that, you can either sit here and wait for it to finish, or you can just go ahead and close this window. You will know if the language was installed when we go and look at our personal options. So let's go look at those. I'm going to click up here, go to Options. So these are our personal user settings. Now, you can see if I click on the Languages tab that my base language is still English, but now I can actually change my user interface language. And as you can see, Spanish has been previously installed, so it got here pretty quick. I'm going to go ahead and click on German, click OK. This screen will refresh, and you can see now that our entire menu is in German. I'm going to come back over to our events calendar, just do a quick refresh on here. And you'll see that our menu has now been changed to Deutsch, as well as our calendar control culture. So the dates and months are now in the correct format. And all of our text has changed. So if there's no events, we'll know that in Deutsch. To change back, just go ahead and click up here again, go to our personalization settings, click here, and change back to English. And there you go. So if your individual users have languages set for themselves, this calendar will actually show that. One important thing to make sure you do is when you set up the view, come over here, do not put anything in calendar language. If you would like this calendar always display in a specific language, you can go in here and you can edit this, and you could say EN, or for Deutsch, you could say DE, or Spanish. You can put in whatever you want. That'll override this calendar for the available languages. Otherwise, just leave it blank and it will automatically use your Dynamics language. Thanks.